Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Kirtisnotebook. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on subscribe button. Today we will learn 10 lines on cricket. So let's get started. Cricket is my favorite sport. It is played by everyone in my school. Excitement for cricket in India is huge. Fans gather around TVs to watch cricket game together. My favorite player is Virat Kohli. Two teams play the game with 11 players each. Snacks and drinks are prepared before the match. It is played by children in parks and streets. It brings excitement and confidence. It is my dream to become a cricketer of Indian team. Thank you friends. Please keep on watching my videos.